heroes, it's me, Mary, and today we're joined by Aki, my cousin. Say hi, Aki. Yeah, it's pretty cool, right? And we're like going to try to catch protogon, and if we catch it, we're gonna be like a success. So see you guys when we find protogon. Alright, let's find. Okay, find more cockroach so we can complete the master. Okay, quick! Oh, it's not working. Oh, okay, now. Okay, do it. Okay. Alright, did you find one? Oh my god. Yeah. Let it keep Sean Pepters. Just run away from it. Yeah. Yeah, bro. Okay, so, sorry. Sorry. Okay. Keep doing it till you find a cockroach, because we need to complete the mastery. Oh, another one? Do you want to kill it?
Oh, no, I never do.
You don't want to kill it. Okay.
Cockroach!
Okay, just try to lure them in. Alright, where's the cockroach? Just keep doing it. Keep clicking it. Why is there so many chomp actors here? Just run away from it. Oh! Just run away. Wait, alright, you already did. Okay. Alright. Oh my god! When will we find a protogon? It's gonna probably take eternity. Okay, don't scream, okay?
Okay.
I am.
Just wait till we complete this.
Yeah. Let's try to complete. Oh yes! Finally a cockroach! I've been trying to, guys, I've been trying to, fight this thing so I can complete, oh, yeah. Okay, we already clicked it, never mind. Okay. That was a failure. He already clicked it. Why? Okay. Alright. Did we complete the mastery? Yes! Yes, we did the mastery! Yes! We killed the mastery! Wait, why did I say Okay. Keep trying to find the protogon. Okay. See you guys later till we find the protogon.
It's so hard to fight Croto.
Yeah, the protogon is so something. Aki keeps finding this, the Wimpor, and it's so hard to find actually, but he like keeps finding the Wimpor, right, Aki? Wait, say yes.
Yes.
How are you finding it? You just walk a little bit. You just walk like a little bit, and then boom, you just find it. How is that possible? Okay. Let's just try to find the protogon, okay? Okay?
Okay.
And heroes.
Yeah.
We keep finding Wimpor. With Aki's freaking little help, he keeps finding us Wimpor, and it's so amazing because I didn't need to catch them because I'm rallying them right now, so I don't need to catch them. But seriously, how are you catching so many Wimpor? Like, you keep finding Wimpor, but we need protogon. So let's be back till we find protogon. I think we encountered, like, let me say, 10? I don't know how much Wimpor did we encounter, but I think it was around 20. I don't know. How many Wimpor did we catch?
300.
Not really. But it's so much. Let's just find the protogon already. Hidden Heroes, I want to tell you something. We give up on finding protogon because we don't have any Lumion boost, and we're going to instead go battle in the Battle Coliseum. Wait, don't. Okay. Let's go fight in the Battle Coliseum, peeps. Hidden Heroes, we're battling someone and we're about to fight it. So Yeah, we're gonna be battling someone. Let's do ready and destroy this guy. Alright, we're battling him. Alright, he's going with Vespu. Oh.
I shoot that.
Alright, so
I already shoot that, you know.
yeah. Let's use life drain. Maybe we can drain this guy. And this one's a bad because he's a brawler and this guy's Vespu. I think this is a bad combination. Why is this guy not using anything? Is he just gonna stand there? Not using. Oh. Shadow Sprint. Oh, that is harsh. That's bad. Okay, it's just. Oh, that was a good amount of damage. Okay, Aki, click this. Click this one. Good job.
Okay.
Oh yeah, good. Kill this guy. Yeah. Oh, so close. Airblade. Oh, this is bad. Okay, let's just kill this guy. One shot KO. Boom. Also a little bit drained. Okay. He's like a ghost guy. He's just like black. No judgment, by the way. So.
Wow. He's the red one.
This is the one I killed. I know how to kill this thing, but I don't know. I don't know. I know how to kill this thing, but I don't have that the Lumion. Fire breath! No, no, no! No. Why? Okay. Just. No big deal. I can kill this thing. It's just like a little bit of HP down. It's just a little bit HP down.
Hey, that's what it shoots like.
Startle! Oh. Okay, is this thing? Wait.
Is this supposed to be in credits?
Okay, destroyed. Oh, so close. No. Okay. All right, Ekazune. Oh no, it's a paralyzed. Oh wait, why did I say that? Okay. Paralyzed and oh no, I think we're slow. We're too slow. Please don't be paralyzed. Please don't paralyze. Yes. Die. 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 Okay.
He's the strongest one.
He's not the strongest, but he's kind of strong.
He's that one.
Okay.
Are you
Shadow
serious?
Sprint. Oh. Battle Horn. Okay. Melee defense rose. Cured of paralysis. Paralysis, I think is this thing called. Oh, this is a body slam. Okay, you got killed. Alright. Trumbull, I think we can use Zulong at this point. I don't know much about this. Why are you angry?
Why is like that?
Just use Elemental Burst, because this... No! No. T-Rex? What's this? I don't know what's this. Dude, what is this thing? Oh, it's burned. Okay, this is at least good that it's burned. Oh my gosh, it's a T-Rex. We could use Blade Chomp on it. Yes. Please. Oh no. Clay Slam.
It's a robot, you know.
I know
so it cannot break.
Sometimes it can break, you know. We just killed some.
Yes. If you shot it would die.
Please then. Please don't crit. Okay. Crit. Okay, let's chomp this thing.
Oh no.
So close to dying. Okay, it's so close to dying. Even if it used clay stem, I don't know. We'll die anyway. Just complete. Oh, I survived. Yes, we survived. Yes. Okay, destroyed. At least we survived. Okay. What is he gonna use? Trumbull? Wait, is this his last Pokemon? I mean Lumion? Oh, no, it's just second. Okay. Elemental Burst time. No. What? Mommy. Okay, whatever. Let's do this. Alright guys, we're gonna do this. Alpha. Alpha, go! Alright, Trumbull. Yes, rough up. Brawler type. Yes, so happy we got that. Oh, kill. Oh yes, it's ineffective. Yes. Okay. We have to use just one more rough up, and he's dead, and we could be his last
Pokemon.
Last Lumion. Okay, why did it have to use protect? Okay. You have to kill it with rough up one more time. Okay, please fail. Yes, it failed. Okay, that's a free turn for me, and almost dead. Just one more. Please fail the next turn. Please fail the next turn. Please. Yes. Okay, on to its last Lumion. Let's see. Okay, guys, we're about to defeat a trainer.
There's another one.
Yeah, I know, it's the last one. And
it can't fly.
yeah, I'm gonna use rough up on this thing. It doesn't know the move fly, but thunder strike. Oh my gosh, that was so close. Quick, use. Okay, this is a fighter bag. It's about to die in 1, 2. He forfeit, and we won. Oh my gosh, Shiny Heroes! Thank you so much for watching. And right now, if you got comment down below if you want Aki and some other Lumen Legacy videos. Right now, subscribe and like the video. Say goodbye, Aki.
Bye bye.
See you next time, Shiny Heroes.